We have the box squat, cha-cha-cha, and the basic step in SCULPT workout. I will break it down. The box squat, we should all know what a cha-cha-cha is with our legs. Box squat, up, squat, take the leg over, step it back. So it's like a box squat. So you're up, squat, and that foot that's on the bench steps forward. Up, squat, foot that's on the bench steps forward. Let's go again, come with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the cha-cha comes in on the other. Here we go. Up, squat, the foot that's on the bench steps in front. That's a box squat again. Up, down, take the foot that's on the bench and do that box squat one more time. Up, down, box squat. Now if you can get the box squat move, here's what it looks like in full motion. Cha-cha-cha, up, down, cha-cha-cha, up, down, box squat. Box, squat, cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha is 1, 2, 3, bam, bam, bam. I can't break that down. It would be like bam, 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 cha-cha-cha. So let's practice. Remember the foot that's on the bench steps forward, and that's where we get the box squat. Right lead, march it right to left. We're gonna box squat, cha-cha-cha. Box squat, cha-cha-cha, 2 times to make sure we get it. Here we go. Box squat, cha-cha-cha, box squat, cha-cha-cha. So that's the foot that's on the bench steps forward. Foot that's on the bench steps forward. There you go. Box, squat, cha-cha-cha.